We are in the kitchen, and it would appear that this light has gone out. We went and got the bulbs that go there, but still not turning on. So we're gonna go ahead and change the light out. So on this one, we have two screws holding these housings, and we're gonna go ahead and unscrew those. That will begin the screw that's holding the plate up to the wall. But it's exposed. There's one screw here, and one screw right there. So the Hampton Bay 4-foot LED flush mount. I did the brush nickel because it's going to go ahead and match the rest of the set in the kitchen. Now what I've been noticing is there's no light bulbs, which I really wanted something LED. So obviously no light bulbs. It says it's 50,000 hours of use. Also says it's 52 watts by 4. So it equals, I guess, 32 watts of fluorescent. And of course, there's the model number in case if anybody's interested. It's almost the brightest one I could find at the time. So these sides, you're gonna pull on them in order for you to take that part out. And I'll show you what that looks like now. On each end, you have these spring-loaded ends. And what I mean is that these little end caps actually pull, and they have force pulling them back down. That allows you to take this cover off. Once you take the cover off, you're going to find that there's 3 rows of LEDs. All your wiring is going to be on the other side. I'm going to get ahead and bring it to the kitchen and show you what that part looks like. They conveniently tucked in the entire screws and everything you need in this nice little bag, but I'm going to have to pull it through because it needs to sit flush. So after taking a look at this box, it's an older box. I have to do some maintenance on here. But to change these out, you have to rerun it all the way back to the breaker. So what I'm going to do is on this end, where it's snapped, which explains the tape, I'm going to clean this tape up and put some electrical tape. And on this end, I'm only going to put one piece right here. And I'm probably going to have to go back later and take that piece out and actually put the red electrical tape on there, which you can get the variety pack of the white, red, yellow. It's about $3, but yeah, this needs to be fixed. All right, guys, so to save you some time, I didn't show you exactly when I was putting it up. I used 2 of the existing screws, and the rest of them were going to be the new screws. It's up there pretty flush. It feels nice and firm. It's not going to come down. So if somebody does happen to jump, it's not going to fall. Here's the patch job I did for the positive and negative. My suggestion would be for this, make sure that you get the red tape for later. And also, if you don't have the same cover that I have, because mine's actually like a smoked white, so you can't see these once I put the cover on. Later on, when I do fix this, I might get and tuck them in. I may not. My suggestion for anybody who has the 100% clear case, go ahead and tuck those in. So I'm gonna get and put the cover on here. Remember, you're gonna put the side that doesn't have the springs on first, which is this side. That way you can get and adjust it with that side. And then I'm gonna get and take a picture of it all put together, and we're done.